Please, we are fighting for your rights. If you think you deserve a raise, just honk. Boss?
Fly FM.
Ayo, nowadays everything is so expensive. I want to go out makan at mama, also cannot afford one. Want to go out with friends, also no money. So that's why I deserve a raise I think. I'm gonna talk to my boss about this. But I want to know if people around here also think the same way as I do, because I want to know if they will honk if you deserve a raise. Let's do this. Alright guys, come on. At least one of you must have miserable names. Oh yes! I get you, bro. I understand completely. Just kidding, boss. I'm happy with my pay. What am I saying? Honk, please, honk. Honk if you deserve a raise. Honk, honk. Yeah. Honk if you deserve a raise. That was a double honk. Honk if you deserve a raise. We'll send this video over to your boss. Don't worry about that. We'll fight for your rights. Please, we are fighting for your rights. If you think you deserve a raise, just honk. Boss?
Fly FM, today's hottest music.